Hey everyone, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. So today's video is a scrapbook layout share which I did as a design team member for Light the Path. And if you want to check out more layouts and want to know what Light the Path workshop is about, then make sure you're checking my introduction layout that I did for that. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. But what I have done for this layout is that I have divided my cards or pictures into 3 groups. One was photos, one was quotes, and one was journal cards or blank cards. And trust me, this is the easiest scrapbook layout that you can do, and it is perfect for beginners as well. So I have laid out my photos and journal cards, as you can see, in a 3x3 grid layout. And now I am just pasting all the photos and the journal cards. I really loved the journal cards that came in this kit, especially the ones which had the quotes written on them. And talking about the lovely prompt for this month, the prompt for this month was to honor your emotions, and I really loved this prompt and connected with it so well. It actually helps you to understand what you're going through, understand what your emotions are, and then accepting them and working on them. So I really loved this prompt, working on this prompt. It actually helped me a lot in reflecting what I'm going through, what my emotions are. And now, as you can see, I've pasted all the 9 photos and the journal cards. And now I'm just cutting out some embellishments from the sticker sheets. And as you guys know that I like to include Light the Path and the month in my layouts as much as I can. So this time the layout gave me a perfect opportunity to include these things, so I cut those out. Also, I cut out this sentiment which said walk through open doors. And as you can see, the Light the Path sentiment was a little big as compared to the journal card, so I trimmed it down. And now I am just seeing some more embellishments here and there. The kit had really amazing washi tape designs. So I used the heart one on my photos, and then also I cut out a small washi tape that I used in the center photo. I'll be writing my date there, and as you guys know that I love including the dates of when I created the layouts in my layout itself. And now I am using some foam tape to attach my sentiments and the hearts that you can see to give some dimension in the layout. And by now you guys must be knowing why I said that this is the easiest layout that you can do and perfect for beginners. So if you're just starting out with your scrapbook layouts, I think this grid layout is something that you should try. And in the end, I just took my pen and journaled my thoughts about the prompt in the 2 journal cards that had some ruled lines in them. And yes, this was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to like, comment and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. Bye.